by Babek. Royer in front. Pikarczyk took a swing. Now Rotiroti scores! He squeezes by Palfi. Far circle into the middle. Rotiroti scores!
Wide. Picked up now by Heath Ford, chopping at this one. Out to the far half wall as that one goes back up ice, and a 3-on-1 back in the way for the Breakers that they hurry. Out to the right circle with a shot, scores!
Gellerman wins the play. In front looking for Rotiroti. Bounces down, they score! Gellerman forces a turnover and then gets flattened out in the neutral zone. Rotiroti curls away back to the point. Holding at the Bally's logo, top of the key. Now down near circle to the goal, backhander. Here comes Ramanow out to Christo up ahead. Drop pass on goal. Now Biloxi. Gellerman muscles it out of the zone. Rotiroti finds the vacant puck. 2-on-1 if they hurry. Short-handed. Gellerman walks in. Quick shot. Things starting to get a little bit chippy, but still no penalty time for either side. Rotiroti wheels his way ahead across the line, coast to coast. Bangs it back out to the point. Breakers keep it in. Rotiroti bounces off the check of Spear. Out at the point, kept in for a moment and shoved down low by Spinelli. Collected. And then another big hit down in the end wall. Bodies are flying everywhere. Now a chance. Bartlett back down to the tape of Rotiroti. Across. Pamelion scores! Once again on the back end. Has been exceptional here tonight. Rotiroti short-handed. With will to the goal off the crossbar again. And of course, Galvin. Here's Rotiroti. Crowd needs to get back into it. They were great in the first period, but relatively docile since, and that's a huge reason why is because the physicality has died down. Fisher blows an edge on the near half wall. Fighting to get the puck on over for Rotiroti. To the backhand, Thornton on goal. And number 22 wins it, Mr. Gellerman. And it's sent ahead. Lind through his own circle. Around the wall hard for Scott Kowash. Rotiroti catching up on the back check. Able to corral it. And it's going to be Rotiroti springing ahead. Carter Thornton in all on Thornton. Yes. Jones to the near side. Al Rotiroti. Rotiroti hits the brakes on for House. Quick shot. Made a nice dangle in front on Heath Ford. And House is denied by Coffey. Period one. Another turnover. Rotiroti over the blue line. Moves between the legs to the goal. Shoot. Deflected by Grasby and taken away by Rotiroti. Bank pass for himself off the wall, then touches it ahead. Quick shot from Rotiroti is turned aside by Sommerfeld with the right pad. He's crunched into the wall. Stoya, and he goes down into the end wall. Nice defensive play by Stoya, then Al Rotiroti by the Dragons. Not gonna lie, hard to see both teams' numbers on these uniforms. Nice play on the forecheck. Fisher looks to center one. Zone and will send it ahead for Rotiroti. Rotiroti through the circle far side. Hits the brakes in the corner. Shakes off the defense. Out to the point. Flanagan missed the net. Ladled down low once again. Held by Rotiroti. Continuing to shield the puck well. Now bank. Rotiroti down in the corner. Cross ice Spinelli closing in between the circle. Shoots. Rodkin flips it away from trouble. Grasby can't corral it. Rotiroti. For Rotiroti. Saucer pass to House. He fillets it around for Kowash. Centering pass. Clark had his stick held. And now here comes a near side pursuit of the puck. It looked like Rotiroti tried to flip. And we're underway. Oh my goodness, a Mississippi melee right off the jump. Garrett Johnson's headed out of the goal. A full line brawl. He's headed down to see Ed Coffey. Ed Coffey not moving off the crossbar. Johnson grabbing him over on the far side. A take.